Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Binance deposit address for any token. So I just log into my account officially, and after next I will just tap on this deposit button, and after inside it will be show the trending coins, and I will just select the second one of Ethereum coin. I want to find my address of Ethereum, and after loading choose the network of arrival time. So you will just tab on Ethereum number one of network, and this is the disclaimer, a message, you can read it later. I will just tab on continue, and from here you will just copy the address, and if you just tab on this more detail, and you can also save and share an address from there. And if I want to just tap on another coin like this, so I will just choose the network of PNB smart chain and wait for a moment, and from here you will see there is a new address. So this is how you can find address or new tokens. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.